Yeah, I've got a problem with my bird feeder. Looked up this morning and there's a squirrel that's been climbing up that pole. It's the first I've seen of it. He's been getting up in there and eating all the seed and scaring the birds away. I've got some all-purpose grease here. I'm gonna get that on there. I'm gonna fill that bird's feeder up, and then I'm gonna put that grease, I don't know, probably about a 2-foot thing on that pole, and see if that squirrel can still get up there. Let's see how it works out. This grease will last on here. See how this works. I got over 2 feet of that pole covered with grease on all 4 sides. Yeah, I think, like I said, a lubricant like WD-40 would have worked, but this grease will hold up in the rain and the weather, so let's see if that keeps the squirrels out.